Hello guys, welcome back to Vipra Gaming, and in this episode we are going to again continue the firecrackers fireworks show, but this time we have 3 silver chests and a golden chest to open, and of course today is a epic Sunday, so we have to collect 5 epic cards from the shop. So let's get started. Rare wild cards, I don't like that. That's common wild cards are good, much better I feel. So because we use it. Golden chest, we didn't get any epic from it. Okay, this is, we get 5 epic cards. It's an epic Sunday, and poison again. Even in the last week I got a poison and the same card. Okay, then we have the lumberjack in the shop, but costs a lot, so we are going to be bankrupt, not going to have much gold, so good not to take it I feel. And let's get started, and the next reward is a magical chest, so hopefully some good cards from that chest. He has the pass royale, he has the tower skin as well. Okay then. Let's go for the Tesla. Yes. That's good. Yes, the Mega Knight has jumped, and his Mega Knight didn't do any spawn damage to mine, I think. So it has a good HP now as well. And the lumberjack has started hitting in the other lane. So everything going our way until now. Goblin barrel got hands as well, so this is good. But now we have to be, the Mega Knight has to jump our tower. Trying to get the P.E.K.K.A, but it's again 7 elixirs. The Mega Knight has gone, so that's good. Oh my god. This King Tower has now being active now, so we have to be a little bit careful. Okay, then one more Mega Knight. Come on. I want the firecrackers to come. I want the firecrackers to be damaged. Yes, just like that. Okay, lumberjack, come on, start hitting. Yes, that's good. 365 HP left on his tower. P.E.K.K.A for the first time today, but it's going to be 9, not 12. So it's not going to help in challenges, that upgradation of the P.E.K.K.A a few days back. Okay, come on, Goblin Barrel. So both towers, he has less HP left, so we can get 2 of those towers early. Okay, the Goblin Drill. Yeah, even I have it, but not using it currently. The Mega Knight has come, and the Tesla is so strong, and we have got the first tower, and the Goblin barrels are raged. That's good. Okay, let's go for another tower. Come on, we have to get extra crowns. I want to get maximum amount of gold in the, not maximum, but most of, at least 10,000 in the, what do you call, the bonus bank. We have got the pass royal, so we'll get the bonus bank. P.E.K.K.A doesn't do anything. Okay then. This is good. We'll win this game, but we are not going to get his King Tower. So it's going to be 2-1. 2-0, sorry. So we won the first match, and now we are going to open the magical chest. So I want to get I don't know, good cards I'll say. Hopefully we can get a legendary. Come on, something, come on. Gold, that's good. 1600 gold is good. Rare wild cards, it's okay. Only 1 arrow, even that's not going to help. Barbarians, goblins, okay. Fire spirits, and a legendary. Yes, and 10 goblin drills as well. That's good. And this is, what is it? Graveyard. We demanded so much for it. We thought we'll trade it in the clan, but why do you want to trade it now? I think we are not going to use it, but just for our card collection. Let's upgrade the goblin drill. And oh, I think it's up. Yeah, it's 5 elixir. Yes, there you go. The graveyard, new cards. Very unusual to get a new card when you are at the at arena, higher arena, you are in arena 14, you don't get a new card. But we have got 2 in 2 days. Goblin Drill and this one. This is good. Even he has a pass roll, but not the tower skin. Okay. Very unexpected legendary. We have the confidence now. Come on, we have to get more rewards. That's good. The lumberjack does a great job. He has the arrows. I think he's a maxed out player. So I think the second time we are playing against a maxed out player. But in this he is going to be level 9. Firecrackers crackers are wasted. So it's literally playing against a level 9 guy. Not any different from playing. Oh my god, I thought the mini P.E.K.K.A is going to be coming to the Electro Wizard, but did good damage to our tower, our crown tower. Royal Ghost. Everything is maxed out. He's a level 13 player, but again, the second time we are playing against a level 13 player, but a level 9 in this thing. Oh my god, he's mirroring the... Oh, it didn't get to the Goblin Barrel again. So not going well. We have lost a tower as well. Come on, somehow. Jump. Okay, it was good to jump on the wizard actually. Look at, oh, the wizard is gone, but his king tower is active, so that's another problem. We have done some good damage on his princess tower, and now we have done good damage on both the towers, but can we get them? Royal Ghost, it's coming to the Tesla now. And he has the mini P.E.K.K.A. And I'll send the elder brother of the mini P.E.K.K.A. And somehow we have to try to get both those towers. That's good. We have got one. That's good. Now somehow we have to win this. It's going to be tough, but somehow. Okay, so the wizard dealing area damage, and it's done some serious damage to our crown towers. So tough winning against these guys. I don't know how, but let's just try the Goblin Barrel, but he has the arrows. Yes, very good. Lost the game. Okay, let's go for the next one. 2 losses, but it doesn't matter. Losses don't matter because we have the pass royal. Okay, next reward is 4,000 gold, and I would love to have those. 4,000 is a lot. A lumberjack, come on. Yes, it started attacking. Its speed is too much. So, lot of damage done to his crown towers. And the Dark Goblin gone. So that's a Firecracker's power. I have the arrows. I hope he has the skeleton army. Oh, he has the Zappies. How to defeat this? I would love to have the arrows, defeating the Zappies. Now the Firecracker has done that, but would have been nice if a card, the arrows could have got the Zappies. Okay, the Dark Goblin. The Elite Barbarians, but we have the Mega Knight, we have the P.E.K.K.A, so we can defend that. No problem. Okay, Battle Ram. Did nothing. So Mega Knight and the P.E.K.K.A, I love this attack. It's really rare because both of them cost a lot of elixir. It's tough to get them together, but Again, we got them together but couldn't stay for long. That goblin gone. That's good. Go for the Mega Knight. Okay, look at that. The Mega Knight has a better spawn damage. This is good. Hopefully we get that tower now. Whoops, 27 elixir left. I think let's not attack that because let's try to go for the other crown tower now. That's why I'm sending the arrows there. Should have sent it a little bit later. Those firecrackers would have not been in the game. Oh my goodness. The fire spirit's doing the job. What's happening over here? Oh my goodness. Should I have put the arrows to that tower? This is not good. Oh my goodness. How to get the tower now? Do we lose this? I'm using the arrows here because we may lose another tower and I don't want that to happen. Oops. Do we lose this? Come on, Lumberjack, do something. Come on, please. Firecracker, something. Yes! Now we have a chance to come back. We have to do this. Come on. We have to win this. We can't lose 2 in a row. Battle Ram. Come on, get that. Yes. I thought, Mega Knight is going to attack the barbarians much earlier. Okay, Lumberjack. Only 188 HP left. How do we win this? We should have won this, but again I thought of attacking this other crown tower, which didn't pay off that plan. Oh, what's happening over here? 271 versus 188. This is going to be interesting. Come on. Pekka somehow get something on that. We have another Pekka now. It took a lot of time for him to get one Pekka out, and lot of firecrackers. They are all going to go. Come on. No, don't attack those 188. Yes! That was a good win. That was a really good win. I mean, I should have won it easily, but it was hard working win. I should have won it easily though. 4,000 gold. We have a lot of gold now. And we've stopped upgrading. That's it for this episode, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Hopefully in the next video we'll complete the Firecrackers Fireworks show, and we'll see you in that episode, and we are going to get more rewards in that, and bye bye until then.